Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. You'd better. Video 24 plus bonus content. You have to. So be sure to stick around for the second part's video for that bonus content, and be sure to see all the videos in this series. Okay, great. Let's start. I don't have any clean clothes. I don't have any clean clothes. You'd better do the laundry. You'd better do the laundry. You'd better do the laundry. The car is filthy. Filthy. The car is filthy. You'd better wash it. You'd better wash it. You'd better wash it. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. You'd better see a doctor. You'd better see a doctor. You'd better see a doctor. Sales are down. Sales are down. You'd better get more customers. You'd better get more customers. You'd better get more customers. I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry. You'd better cook a meal. You'd better cook a meal. You'd better cook a meal. It smells in the kitchen. It smells in the kitchen. You'd better take out the trash. You'd better take out the trash. You'd better take out the trash. I'm getting sleepy. I'm getting sleepy. You'd better have coffee. You'd better have coffee. You'd better have coffee. I've got some extra money. I've got some extra money. You'd better save it. You'd better save it. You'd better save it. All right, bonus. You have to. At home. You have to make your bed. You have to make your bed. You have to put your clothes away. You have to put your clothes away. You have to wash the dishes. You have to wash the dishes. You have to mow the lawn. You have to mow the lawn. You have to change the litter box. You have to change the litter box. You have to chop wood. You have to chop wood. You have to water the plants. You have to water the plants. You have to feed the dog. You have to feed the dog. Okay, great job. Yes, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.